Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Investor Josh, and today I'm going to deliver to you what I think are going to be some, hopefully, potentially, some excellent cryptocurrency picks that are going to bring us some tremendous gains, along with all the tremendous gains we've already gained from the other cryptos I've been giving out on a regular basis on this channel. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Please do remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. It is by no means financial advice. I've been investing in the stock markets for about 13 years, and cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, it was 2013 when I first got into Bitcoin. Since then, I've been trading altcoins and been pretty profitable at doing so, and I'd say somewhat successful. As those of you who have seen over the past about 3 weeks, I've been doing this on this channel, giving crypto and stock, what I trade in, not recommendations, but what I trade in. And we've seen some excellent pumps almost daily or every second day, 20, 30, 40%, even some more than one. A couple went 100% and over. They were Chili's and OMI, both went 100% or more over in a 24-hour time period. So that's what we're doing on this channel. We're trying to find out the best cryptos out there and pump them as hard as we can. Well, they pump themselves. We just jump in for the gains, and that's what we're here to do. So those of you who've been with me, thank you very much. Thank you for continued support. Thank you for the kind comments. I'm very pleased that you've been profitable, and those of you new to the channel, I hope you're also profitable with us. So we're going to get into a few coins. We're going to look at some charts. I didn't get to do a video yesterday, but I tweeted out my recommendation, or what I was going to be investing in. So those of you who follow me on Twitter would have saw that. If you haven't already, please look in the description below. You can follow me on Twitter. Sometimes it's easier and much quicker for me to put out tweets there in regards to what I'm selling and buying than doing a YouTube video. I am attempting to the best of my ability to upload a YouTube video every single day with new content. I've been successful to doing so for the past 3 weeks, by one day, which was yesterday. I had a very, very big day yesterday, so I was unable to do so. But I did send out a tweet or two in regards to some cryptos I was interested in. So follow me on Twitter if you haven't already done so. Also in the link description down below, there's some links. If you've been profitable and I've helped you make some big gains, you can help support the channel with the links down below. I do not get paid by YouTube. I've got under 1,000 subscribers, and no cryptocurrency provider is paying me $10,000 and $15,000 to talk about their coin like they do with the channels that have 200 and 400 and 500,000 subscribers. But I feel like we've been doing good things here. I've been giving out, in my opinion, more profitable picks than the big channels on a consistent basis. So hopefully I will get your continued support. Thank you very much. All right, let's move into the charts and some things I'm buying, some things I'm interested in. We'll have a bit of a talk about it. Okay, first up is one that I spoke about just then and one that I tweeted out yesterday. I am invested in this now, Bitmax token. It's looking really good. Well, over the 1 hour and 24-hour period, there has been a decline. So potentially an excellent time to buy. We are 44.7% up on the day, 77, 14 days, 328 for the 30-day period. That is massive. Have a look at the chart down here. We'll zoom out to the 7 days, further to the 14 days, and even further to the 30-day chart. So I feel that this will and could easily any day now push past $1 based on technical analysis, and just for the mere fact that network coins such as Pancake Swap or Cake, BNB on Binance have all been pumping. So I see no reason Bitmax can't do the same. We're at 95% people feel positive about this. This gives you a huge indication of how the market is feeling about this. Even with this slight pullback over the 1 hour and 24-hour period, I think this gives us an excellent buying opportunity to jump in on this coin. I feel like he could, as I said, easily push past $2. in the next few days or week or two. So I think we could make some excellent gains there if you're interested in this coin. While we're talking about Bitmax, I'll briefly speak about one of my other coins I own on Bitmax. So I own the majority of my cryptocurrencies on Binance, but there is one I could not find on Bitmax that has brought me tremendous gains, and that is Ecomi, or OMI. Remember that, OMI. So if you're going over to Bitmax, have a look around, check out OMI while you're there. It is not yet listed on Uniswap, but OMI is expected to be listed on Uniswap. I cannot remember the date off the top of my head, but it is within the next week or two, and we should see some more tremendous gains on OMI during that time. When I bought OMI, I did speak about it on the Twitter, on Twitter and on YouTube, before it pumped, and then within the next 2 days, it pumped 125% in a 24-hour period. So that's Bitmax and that's OMI. We'll move in a little bit further. We are looking into, we'll look at this one, Pundi. This is one, or Pundi, NPXS. This is one that I think has excellent potential. Some good news and events surrounding this. You can check it out on CoinMarketCal. That's CAL, CoinMarketCal. We're looking at good things. 86% of people positive. You can see a 30-day period is up 258%. It is doing good things over this time frame. Even over the 7-day time frame, we are up 50%. Not yet invested, I must state, but something I'm definitely keeping a close eye on, and something I am likely to invest in the near future. We'll keep moving. We'll go to Avalanche. I am invested in this. I bought Avalanche approximately 12 hours ago, along with one other coin. It's currently up 16% for the 24-hour period, 11.3 against the BTC. We are looking at 84% of people who are positive. It's I think it can do good things. It's looking really nicely over that time frame here, and I'm expecting some positive things. You can read up on it. It's got some news and events surrounding it. I'm just positive on this. I think it will do good in the short to medium term. Something I've personally put some of my money in, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Moving on now to one of the biggest gainers for today, which I'm excited about. We'll have a look at its gains for the 24-hour period. 47.9%. Once again, I bought this at the same time as I bought Avalanche. I am up, it is up 47.9%. I'm also up for the day. Bought it approximately 12 hours ago. 7-day, we're up 154%. 200% 14-day, 176% for the 30-day period, 3,405% for a 1-year period. This is life-changing money here. It's truly tremendous. We've made, there is potentially massive profits to be made. And if you have a quick look at that, we are down 13.9% in the hour. Potentially an excellent time to buy in. I do not feel like it will drop back down to these kind of levels. Potentially, I think we'll be looking at something like at the most around here. Around there, I believe. I'd be surprised if it fell much more beyond that. I think this is an excellent midterm buy. You can see 91% of the people are feeling positive about this coin. I think this is going to be a good thing right here. STMX, STMX, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. I am invested in this coin as of around 12 hours ago. One of the most exciting things to happen today in the crypto space is Cardano, ADA. We're up 23.6% in the 24-hour period, 18.9 against the BTC. Let's have a look at this. So 3.2 in the hour, 23.6 as I said in the 24-hour. It is, look at that, 5,074% for the year. That is amazing. I mean, there's so many, we regret so many things in the crypto space, but one thing I've learned over the years is if you buy a coin and you have faith in the coin, you like its fundamentals, you like what it's doing in the space, stick with it. Stick with it, even especially if you don't put a massive sum of money on it. Back a year ago, you know, I had a few $100s on this, and I sold it and I rebought and I sold it again, and if only I'd kept it. You know, we can all say that, if only, but if you like a coin, stick with it. All right, it's going to have its ups and its downs, but if it's anything like this, it'll pay off again one day. 90% of people are positive. So the reason why it pumped today, if you don't already know, and you're living under a rock, if you aren't aware, it got listed on Coinbase Pro. And its next step is Coinbase.com. And I believe it will pump to what price we're sitting at currently. We're sitting at $1.26. Once it hits Coinbase Pro, I believe we will easily see between $2 and $3, if not higher. So, and I believe that could potentially happen before the end of the month. So something for you to think about there. Cardano getting listed on Coinbase Pro, and I believe the next step will be Coinbase. So that's my video for today. I hope it makes up over yesterday's non-video, but I will quickly, what I want to do for you now, for those who have been asking, and a few of you have been, I want to go through what I'm personally holding, the list on my Binance account, and one or two on Bitmax, which I'm now using. I will go through it, not financial quantities, but percentage wise, what I own from most to least. Okay, we're starting at the top. My biggest one is ADA, next is Chile's CHZ, next is COTI, next is Engine or ENJ, next is OMI over on Bitmax, that's Sukomi, that did the 125% in the 24-hour period. Next is yet to be listed on Uniswap and is about to be, something to think about. Next is STMX, next is AVAX, next is Reef, and next is BTMX. So they're the ones I'm currently holding. I believe good things about all of them, at least for the next 2 months probably, and we'll review the situation after them. I will be obviously buying more over the next month or so. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, comments, and support links are down below. Thank you so much.